Under naman po sila ng Tagalog.
Ay, nako, hindi.
Pipilitin natin yan. Bali sa mga bata kasi mamang ginagawa po kasi namin para ma-enjoy nila. Turo lang namin yung basic paths tapos hinahayaan lang namin. Tapos ginaguide lang namin siya. Kasi pag medyo natutuban siya parang nawawala yung ano. Parang pinapabayaan naman. Number 1 lang naman po kasi tinuturo namin dun sa tubig.
Go! Kaya mo yan. Bakit ka nasa harap?
I'll the one with teacher.
Para sa tsura. Oh, ikaw na maghawak. Baby picture ako naman.
Sige.
Hindi naman lahat. Sino dito? Gusti, left-handed. Right-handed. Right-handed.
Paras left-handed.
Parang mas matang. Parang palitan mo lang. Kaya, i-shape para mas maliit. Yan, so are you ready, boys and girls? Yan. So here in Red Tip Pagdamian, we also offer on the experience. Yan. Can you see this one is the basic pass what you need to do to do. Yan, if you want to change the shape, it's up to you. Just like the heart, for example, the heart. Yan. Then second is the basic parts with design. If you want to put some design or separate a little bit of your clay in front of you, it's up to you. This is the example. Anything what you put is just like handle, base, or what you want to do. And say, open your clay.
Open the plate, paper.
Then divide it into two. Divide it into two.
You're gonna make a T-Rex. A T-Rex cup. Or it's up to you. I don't know.
With your both hands, get your clay. Get your clay. Up. Then make a ball. First thing to do is make a ball. This process is to make firm and circle. Taga saan po kayo?
Singapore,
Ay,
saka
magkakaiba.
Australia. Hindi, parehas
Bulacan
lang.
kami.
English.
Bulacan sir.
Ay, okay. Sorry. Sorry.
Bulacan lang saan.
Yan. Then, after that, press your clay at the center of your pattern wheel, just like this. Yeah. Try to copy this one. Yan. Yan. Then, with your both hands again, just like, try to copy this one, just like the nutmeg.
Copy,
Yan.
para.
Copy this one, copy this one. Yan. Then, with your both hands, just like this. Form just like a cylinder. You know a cylinder?
Para, copy like this.
Yan.
Look ate, oh. Ate.
Yan. Yan, tama.
Like ate, oh. Power.
Then next step with your dominant, just wash your only your dominant. Yan. Right or left. Yan. Right.
Your left hand.
Just slowly wash. Yan. Laruan lang talaga sa kanya. Then
Go.
place your dominant at the side of your base. Yan. Just like this. Yan. Then hold your paddle wheel from your other hands. Then spin it slowly.
Spin,
Yan.
spin.
Yeah.
Yes.
Whoa.
Yes.
There you go. Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Then after that, if you can feel your hand is so sticky or a lot of clay that comes into your hand, this is the right time to wash again. So that they can only smooth.
Sticky.
Yan, wash again. Sarap ng dipunas mo.
Go. Yeah, spin it.
Spin,
Sige, nyo lang muna sila mag-spin. Then sila kasi mag-enjoy kasi
Oo nga. Sige, go.
Spin, One hand spin, one hand roll.
Very good, Farah. Try your hands just like this. Ay, kuya.
Slowly, Farah, slowly.
Then next step. Wait for the next step.
Oh, wow, there. See? Oh.
Wash again. Then wait for the next step. Ay, kuya.
Wait.
That's the whole process.
The position of your four fingers is from the side on again. And the thumb press at the center.
This, then you
And
start.
try to spin again.
Spin again.
Slowly. Just like this.
Then you spin. Yes. Slowly, slowly.不是有做过，是不是？你有没有做 before right? You do a what? You do a rabbit at the top. I try to do. You try. Slowly, slowly, slowly. I just pull the hand, then you turn the thing over.
Just like this. Then for slightly, then you want to sing happy birthday. I think time to make your hands on that.
Okay. Whoa.
Big pull out mo. Pero kung magdidikit ko tayo ng picture ng
Ay, ikagan.
para hindi madali matanggal. Yan, if you want to change the shape ma'am, this is the right time. Take some
You want to change the shape?
What
You want to change the heart?
what shape would
Ask the Buddha to help you.
I'm changing to the heart.
Star, heart,
Star.
star.
And the heart.
Parang memories natin ito of star. Sa lagyan mo.
Good.
Ganon.
You also want the heart?
I have the heart.
I want a circle.
Circle only. Our heart.
Whoa, what shape is that, ate?
Yes, sir.
You wanna make part bala? Yosa. Me too, two. What the movie was?
I got heart.
This can. 跑了，动我跑了，一起跑了。
Wow, so cute.
Can you wash my hair? I also, did
跑
I
了，第二个头发。
Setting down, oy.
还要绑一下。
Isa.
Okay na yun. Kasi for
No? Bro. Hey.
Hey. 这个都是我已经跑了，没几个人看。这条
Ay, ayoko na pala ulit yung ano.
That's for your milk tomorrow.
String pa. You want another batch again? What? Air dry lang muna siya mag. Kasi pag inuwi natin na ganyan siya mag air dry lang. Ganito lang siya kasali. Yun nga lang, bawal siya mabasa. Pag yung mga pang-display na pwede lang.
Papa, I want a toothbrush.
Go ahead.
My toothbrush.
Here.
Wait for them, wait for them.
Anak mo.
Pasko lang.
Opo.
Iuwi niyo po ngayon or
Share mo.
ipapabig mo?
Na-adapt niya sa ano, na-adapt niya sa
Ay, bali itong week po yan, sir. Ilang matagal. Kasi napagpapadry yung pads natin isa sa 1 week. 1 week, ilang linggo depende sa panahon, lalo ang pagsimula sa matagal. Hindi pa naman mas matagal. Sa loob lang po ng bahay yan. Within 1 week. Tapos, sinasabay lang po kasi namin sa pagsimula ng mga pads na ginagawa natin sa master. Na nagbibigay kami ng 8 months para mabalikan. Hindi naman sa ganun katagal, di mo pag bumibigay sa ngayon, bumalik kayo ng mga 4 months na kalipas. I-update nyo lang po sa page. Kapag ano pa sila bibigyan ng mga reference number, i-update nyo sa page para malaman. Pero kapag naluto naman po, nagbibigyan kami ng update naman po, nagbibigyan ng 8 months para mabalikan. Kasi kapag lumagpas nila, i-explain ko yung pinagkaiba ng luto at saka air dry lang.
Eh, hashi ka.
You're done.
Ito po yung pinagkaiba ng luto.
You're done.
another again?
Ito po yung labig. Ito po yung air dry lang. Pwede mo pa rin siyang gamitin, pero iwasan na mabasa. Pwede mo paglagyan. Kapag matigas na, pwede mo paglagyan ng hapon.
Can you put your name? Can you put your name?
And then,
Initial.
ginagawa natin, after 4 days, pag-training natin na yan,
Full name.
sabi ko na,
Hindi plastic na po surat.
plastic. Kahit anong klaseng plastic po. Ito po, plastic na galing sa alcohol. Papahiran lang po. Plastic lang. So, maganda yung kalabasan. And then yung mga sobra-sobra po dito sa unit, sa taas, yung mga type.
Ate, oh. You can write your name.
Thank you po.
One round, one hat.
Right. Sir, iuwi niyo po?
I want a star.
Dalawang kasunod.
Can I decorate?
Anong material yan? Local material.
Local clay lang din po sir, yung nakukuha sa bundok. Yan po yung klase ng clay na talaga na malagkit. Terracotta po yung tawag.
Okay. Yung ginagawang brick. Yung
Opo sir.
mga bricks dyan.
Yung clay lang namin kasi sir, may halong buhangin lang ng dagat kaya madali siyang
Tuyo.
matuyo. Yung pure kasi na terracotta sir, curing ng 1 month bago siya lutuin. Ito kasi weak lang sa yun yung parang disadvantage na kasi.
Puro.
Yung mga gawang pangpangasal, yun yung mga...
Isang mga bundok mostly. Itong mga northern
Opo.
natin. Region 1.
Bali yung terracotta kasi sir, magkakaiba yung kulay. May mas gray, may mas...
Orange.
Parang nag-orange, parang ganun.
Magkakaiba. Depende sa lugar.
Pero yung pinakamagandang parang idagdag dito sa terracotta, yung klase yung lupa din na parang magaspang na smooth siya. Yung isang ano din sir, parang ganun. Yun yung magandang idagdag.
Ang tawag? Pilak.
Ako sa patungkol.
Oo.
Grayish siya.
How about you? Other side, other street.
I want a star.
Yeah, you will.
Let me go one more, one cup.
You create new one. Just create new.
Wait, what? Cup ah?
It's the corn.
No,
Anong ship? What you want to ship?
like undress.
Start?
Happy ng bata.
Maganda yan. Ito yung may isang Ako, may flip.
Oh, hirap i-download nito.
Okay na siguro.